And it's now time for the business day. The Trinidad Guardian is reporting that the NCB Financial Group has taken the unprecedented step of pledging all of its shares in Guardian Holdings as collateral to support its delayed $300 million bond offering. NCB Financial Group, which holds a little over 61% of Guardian's ordinary shares, confirmed that the offering, initially structured as a senior unsecured debt, has now been reissued as a senior secured bond. The new arrangement means that if NCB Financial Group fails to meet its debt obligations, the pledged shares in Guardian Holdings could be used to repay bondholders. NCB Financial Group has more than $250 million in debt maturing this year and had originally planned to price and close the bond in early June. However, the offering was delayed, leaving investors uncertain until this week's update. According to Fitch Ratings, the bond's new structure, secured by a first priority change over Guardian Holdings shares, maintains the same credit rating as NCB Financial Group's overall issuer rating due to the senior nature of the notes. In total, 143.3 million shares in Guardian Holdings are being pledged, although 127.8 million of those were already being used as collateral for $166.76 million in existing debt. Guardian Holdings CEO clarified that those prior obligations are expected to be repaid in full with proceeds from the new bond. The JSE Index advanced by 478 points today, while the Junior Market Index advanced by 5 points. The winners were led by Jetcon Corporation, R.A. Williams Distributors, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Lasco Financial Services, and Caribbean Cream. Losers included Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Knutsford Express, Express Catering, NCB Financial Group, and Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company. 21 stocks traded firm. Foreign currency trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.32. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.30. The pound is going for $217.32, while the euro is selling for an average $189.33. And that's it for the Business Day. Regional and international stories are next.